Well, everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're here, riding the YTM around, trying to get it drifting. We've already recorded a bit, but I figured we'd start it off with me recording my little brother for this episode. Hopefully you all enjoy. If you do, be sure to leave a like and a comment with your favorite part. And consider also subscribing for more daily content. Well, I guess it's not daily at the moment. I'm sorry about that. Life is a bit of a struggle. I'm uploading as much as I can. Thank you all so much for the support. Hopefully you all enjoy the video. There you go. Beautiful. A bit later in this video, you'll see him doing his first tries. And some of, not my first tries, we've had it for a week or so now, right? So we've had a bit of practice in other videos. At the end of the trailing video, we did some drifting, right? So, and at the start. And so, it's not the first time, but there we go. That's the intro. Let's move on to the next clip. Oh, fuck. Did I hit it with the bat?
No, hit it with the tire. Ellie. Ellie. I gotta get the dog.
All right, that was my little brother's first try. Let's see what he's got on his second try. Got him up in third gear now. You had it though, you got it. Oh, the dog. Well, you keep going to the neighbors. Come here. You wouldn't be on the roof if you wouldn't go to the neighbors. All right, step number 3. Gun it! Go! No, you still hit it though. You got it, you hit it. You got it. Get it turning? Now! Nice try. Try taking it wider.
What?
Start wider.
Okay.
Now, go, 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 go! He's 16 years old, still learning how to use a 3-wheeler, and now he's trying to drift it with me. We'll see. Other way. He's trying to understand. He's trying to understand how to move his body weight and counterweight the bike and try and keep it going. Try and get it to spin the back wheels out. Oh! You got it there. My turn? Yeah. All right.
I'll watch you do it.
Okay.
That was good. You got it there, though. That was awesome, dude. Yeah. Put it in neutral. It's starting to roll down.
I might be in second or third. I gotta check here. I'm not sure.
Ooh. What are you doing, Ellie? I had it in second when I was going.
In third? Okay. Fuck, where was it?
Yeah, I'd like that way more.
Where was it?
Right around there. Closer. Yeah.
Oh, that was close. Hang on, Where?
Closer. No, like closer to the snow. To the edge.
Oh.
Yeah. You're good. Yeah. Hey, yep. It'll come off.
Oh shit! You ran it the fuck over.
I dodged the crap as well.
Yeah. Oh shit! Too much, too much!
Way too much. I don't have any brakes yet.
Yeah! Doing all this with no brakes. It's no wonder these cars survive at all. Well, to be fair, one of them also didn't survive. That was only a tail light. Oh shit! Ah!
Well, I think that's a pretty awesome way to end this video. Holy crap. Thank you so much. Well, everyone, hopefully you all enjoyed. See you in the next one. Peace out.